I'm going to show you how I take a webinar that we just did and make a GEO-ready article in about a minute and a half. So first step starts in Marketo, and you can see right here we have our webinar that we just did. I'm going to go to the engagement dashboard, and within the engagement dashboard, I'm going to navigate to AI generated blogs. You see here, we already have our blog ready to go. If I view my blog, I can see that this is taking all the content from our webinar about GEO and literally turning it into a blog for us in real time, which is super awesome. Now I can download my blog with my images. And next, we're going to jump into Leo. Now, Leo is my GEO buddy, and honestly, one of the most powerful tools that I've used for GEO in a long time. It's going to take this article that was already automatically generated by Marketo Engage and turn it into a GEO article in about 30 seconds. Check this out. So first things first, I have the option to paste a URL or upload a document. I'm going to go ahead and choose a document, and you can see that it's already doing its GEO magic by parsing the data through the intake process. Leo's proprietary process essentially intakes information in real time, runs it through a series of checks and balances, something that you don't have to do if you were using Claude. You would have to do this, and giving me the best recommendations around ways to make my article more findable and searchable by large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, etc. And now you can see that Leo has brought in my blog. I can edit it in real time here, make some adjustments. This is going to be published directly to WordPress, by the way, which is pretty cool. But on the left-hand side, we have the recommendations, and all these recommendations are high signals for GEO. So right here, we have key takeaways. I'm going to go ahead and accept, and that automatically is applying that key takeaway section in the right place within my article. I can see over here on the left-hand side, it's asking some SEO structure items, so I'm going to accept that as well. You can see it made the update to the header tag, and then down here, another SEO structure item, made that change as well as we could see, and then it's asking for some internal linking. So I went ahead and applied that as well. So now my blog is pretty much ready to go, but there's a couple more things I could do. I'm going to navigate over here to blog details and drag in the image that was created by Marketo. Once that has been loaded in, I am ready to go for my blog. So I'll go ahead, come down here in the very bottom, hit submit for review. We'll leave myself as the reviewer. Come to the review section, and we are ready to go. The last little step that Leo allows me to do is to assign who's going to publish it. So I'll put this to Raja. Once he's reviewed it, it's ready to go. And coming back to my screen, I can see that the blog has been approved by Raja and it's ready to publish. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Now this is going to show up live on the website in real time, push from Leo to the website, fully published and ready for LLMs to start looking for them. Now that the blog is published, I can actually click on view live blog and see my blog on the website in real time. And voila, we have our brand new blog generated by Marketo, geofied with Leo, and published to our website. So just like that, within about a minute and a half, I was able to take my blog that was already generated by my webinar through Marketo Engage, turn it into GEO-ified content, and submit it for review. So easy as pie. So if you're curious about Leo and how to get access, let me know in the comments below.